Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making nasa salad. This is basically a garlic sauce that we have in Mauritius to accompany with meals. Now we're going to start with the ingredients. We've got 1 cup here of warm water. We've got about 50 ml roughly of cold water. Half a cup of white wine vinegar. We've got 10 cloves of garlic. Just over a teaspoon of salt. Just over a teaspoon of sugar, little handful of spring onions that's chopped. Now, quick simple recipe. It's all gonna go in here, and we're gonna blend it up. Put the sugar in, put the salt in, put the vinegar, warm water. It's gonna be like that, and we're gonna put it in the NutriBullet. Once that's done, guys, it's gonna literally look like that. Obviously, because of vinegar and the garlic, it is gonna firm up, but don't worry about that. So we're gonna put the rest of the cold water in there. Put the spring onion in there. You can obviously use this straight away, guys. But I'm gonna let mine set for a bit, let the foam go down, and it'll be perfect.